Hello guys. So it is very frequently asked question, what will you do if you get violation of primary key constant error in replication? So this is on replication, transactional replication. So very frequently you face error or like that. What are the steps you have to perform? So if the guys who know the answer, then just like, or you do not know, then like and comment and share and subscribe my channel. So the steps to resolve this is simply you need to delete the subscriber row, means there the row inserted in subscriber row we just need to drop, and then after deleting the row you just need to wait for the replication to sync, and you will see undistributed commands to go down to zero again, and then distributor to the subscriber history should show it running. So basically if you get this error you just need to remove from that row the row it is written in that we can say that subscription or subscriber databases. You just delete that row, and then we have to wait for syncing from the publisher to subscriber. Okay, so this is the easy way, nothing else. Okay, so thank you for watching.